With some online training companies, the instructors are just a picture on a screen, someone that you'll never meet. I'm getting bored just talking about it. But at ITProTV, we want you to know the people on the other side of the camera. That's why ITProTV offers weekly office hours. Each week, you're invited to tune in to the on-air page to chat live with one of the ITProTV edutainers.
So an edutainer is someone who takes a topic, an educational topic, and makes it more fun, enjoyable. My vision for ITProTV was to make the product that I wish I had when I got started.
Office hours are your chance to ask a burning question, get clarification on a topic in an ITProTV course, or discuss a specific exam. Join in on office hours on Wednesdays at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:30 a.m. Pacific Time, and 5:30 p.m. GMT. Check the weekly ITProTV newsletter to see which edutainers are on tap each week. Then log into ITProTV, click the On Air button, and start chatting with us. See you there.